Okay, so here we are in week 4. My name is Lucy Hutchison. This is my app. It's called Bible Studies to Go. And so this is the Add a New Bible Study page. And so on this lesson, we added a way to display lessons if we didn't have any. And so with JSON data, so since there's no data in storage, default data was added. So here's my default data, including the little thumbnails. A couple extra things that I added was over here in my JavaScript, when I did a set attribute per item that would tag it with what the audience class was, which in my case, right here, if it's audience youth, then this would actually have a class in it that says that it's youth, and that allows me, so you can see right here where it says youth, this will allow me then to colorize it to match my little icons here. And so you can see that the youth is purple. If my audience was men, there's some blue on the icon, and then for example if it was adults, then it was green. Say for example if we change this to women, then it's successfully saved. Let's display our lessons again, and here's my woman icon as well as the different colors. So that's just a little extra thing that I added, and you did see that the edit lesson does work. If I was to change this to children, for example, and change this to, instead of the book of Luke, we go to the book of John, it's successfully saved. And so children is now orange, and then we now have the book of John. So that works just fine. Delete works with just the one, just like it did in the last lesson. Another thing that I did add that was a little extra was when I cleared all the lessons, I did have it ask if you're sure you want to clear all the lessons, even though this was like provided by myself. I did want to go ahead and just ask that, so it'll confirm it. Let's say all information was deleted and it's been cleared. See, so now it's going to try and add it again because there's no data in local storage, and it goes back to the normal. So that's pretty much it. This was a little bit easier than the others. I guess only because the local storage thing was my biggest hiccup, and so once I got past that, doing all this was great. And you know, as far as like doing this, it wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. I did definitely learn a lot of JavaScript. I didn't realize how much JavaScript we were going to be learning and how it just kind of went through each class. So I actually feel fairly prepared now when I'm at work and I look at a JavaScript file. I'm like, oh, I know what it's doing now because of you know, all the experience that we have here. In terms of any other ideas of apps that I can make, gosh, there's like so many. For me personally, you know, I have kids, and so I can see us doing, you know, things like this, or even a menu for my family for the week, because that, you know, that's always a problem. So what are we going to eat for dinner and whatnot? And so yeah, I feel very prepared to do another app just like this one, or you know, even branch out into different other different functions and features in that. So that's my app. I did have a great time in this class, and I look forward to using what I've learned in my future projects. That's all I got for you. Thanks.